Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my trading plan of EUR USD. So I have taken already a buy position in EUR USD something around 1532 and I'm targeting this 200-day moving average, which is giving me a target of something around 1670. Right now the value is 1675, however it may shift as the market will move, so we can also change our target as market will progress. However, right now I have set my target at 1670. Now let's talk about the exit plan in case of market does not move in my wanted direction. So today's candle is already looking pretty bearish, and if today will close as a bearish candle below this low, which is 1514, then I will take the loss and exit the position. Let me share the fundamental scenario which has been affecting EUR USD primarily. The most important fundamental scenario is Iran conflict. So Trump initially wanted to take control of the Strait of Hormuz. Later he paused the war for 5 days. Then he paused the strike on energy plants for 10 days. And Iran has been claiming that there was no direct negotiation. Later Iran accepted that okay, there was some indirect negotiations. And now it looks like the Trump is needier than anybody else in the world to end this Iran conflict. He gave up the demand of controlling Strait of Hormuz, and he said that the countries which actually need to ship their oil through Strait of Hormuz, they should go and take control of Strait of Hormuz. Otherwise, United States already has enough oil. If other countries are not getting enough oil to fuel their jets, they can buy it from United States, or they can go and take control of Strait of Hormuz. He also stated that after he will end the war with Iran, the Strait of Hormuz will automatically open. And he also suggested that other countries can make their effort to open the Strait of Hormuz. So it's clear now that the Trump is no longer interested in keep this war going on. Moreover, the stance of United Kingdom, France, and many other countries from NATO, and also other countries which are not in NATO, is very clear that they are no longer willing to support this war, and all these countries are willing to ensure the proper supply of oil, proper shipment of oil through the Strait of Hormuz to avoid oil crisis. So that's why this conflict is more likely to end sooner than later. That's why the problem of Europe, problem of Europe because of the crunch in oil supply, will be resolved, and that's why Euro USD will rise. So you can see that the last 2 days were bullish for Euro. You can see that these 2 days, March 31st and April 1st, both were bullish, significantly bullish, and this movement to the downside may just be a retracement and an opportunity to buy at better and lower price. So we got 1532 today. Still the price is trading around 1530, 1528, and you can get a chance to buy at this price, and we can target something around 1670. So our reward is pretty much 150 pips or 1500 points, pretty much better than the risk, because I believe that the market is not going to go more than 500 points further to the downside, even if the market will be bearish for the day, or if some new news or new tweets or statements will come from different countries affecting the situation of Iran conflict. So that's why our risk is still limited and reward is pretty much better than the risk. So let's go and trade this Euro USD to the bullish side. That's all in short. Please understand your risk appetite before making this trade. This is just an information and my own opinion of market understanding. This is not a direct investment advice. Thanks for watching.